If English is not your first language, but you understand it and still feel nervous to speak, this video is for you. Many English learners say sentences that are grammatically okay, but sound unnatural to native speakers. Today, I'll show you simple changes that instantly make your English sound more natural. Watch till the end. The last sentence is one almost every learner gets wrong. You studied English. You know grammar rules. But when you speak English, something feels off. And the problem is not your accent. The problem is using book English in real-life conversations. Let's fix that, step by step.
Mistake 1.
I didn't understand properly.
This sentence is very common among English learners. It's not wrong, but native speakers rarely say it. Say this instead.
I didn't really understand. Or, I'm not sure I understood.
Pause the video and repeat with me. I didn't really understand. Comment OK if this makes sense.
Mistake 2.
Please revert back. This sounds formal and unnatural in everyday English. A better way to say this is, please reply, or, please get back to me.
Native speakers keep it simple. Which one would you use? Comment, reply, or get back.
Mistake 3.
I am having a doubt. This sentence is understood, but not natural. Natural alternatives. I have a question. Or, I'm a bit confused.
Practice. Say it with me. I have a question. Notice how relaxed it sounds.
Mistake 4.
I will call you after some time. Native speakers don't usually say sometime. Say this instead. I'll call you later. Or, I'll call you in a bit.
Type later in the comments if you like this one.
Mistake 5.
I am working in this company since 2 years. This is very common, but incorrect. Correct and natural. I've been working at this company for 2 years.
Repeat. I've been working here for 2 years. Don't worry about grammar names. Just remember the pattern.
Confidence boost.
If you make these mistakes, people still understand you.
English is about communication, not perfection. Small improvements like these make a big difference over time. Comment your country. I'd love to know where you're watching from.
Bonus.
I am waiting for your reply. Sounds formal and distant. Natural English. I'm looking forward to your reply. Or, let me know.
Repeat with me. Let me know.
Mistake 6.
I will explain you. This sentence is very common among English learners. People understand it, but it doesn't sound natural.
Native speakers usually say, I'll explain it to you. Or let me explain.
Practice. Repeat with me. I'll explain it to you. One more time. I'll explain it to you.
Comment 6 if this was new for you.
Mistake 7.
I am agree. I am disagree. This is a small mistake, but it happens very often. Natural English. I agree. I disagree.
Practice. Say it with me. I agree. Now. I disagree. Short sentences sound more confident.
Mistake 8.
I didn't get you. People understand this, but it can sound a little strong or unclear.
Better options. I didn't understand you. Or could you say that again?
Practice with me. Could you say that again? This sounds polite and natural. Comment again if you like this one.
Mistake 9.
I am feeling bored. This sentence is grammatically okay, but it's not natural in most situations.
Say this instead of, I'm bored. Or, this is boring.
Practice with me. Say it slowly. I'm bored. Now, this is boring.
Mistake 10.
My English is not good. Many learners say this. and it reduces confidence. Say this instead.
I'm still learning English. I'm improving my English.
Repeat with me. I'm still learning English. Comment learning if you agree. Subscribe to Quick Easy English for simple, natural English you can actually use. If this video helped you, like it. It really supports the channel. And tell me in the comments, which sentence was new for you? Thank you for watching.